The 5 types of AI tools. Explained simply, there are thousands of AI tools out there, but most of them fit into just a few simple categories. Grab a cuppa and let's break them down in a clear and practical way. Organizing your life. These tools help you tidy up information. They summarize, sort, and turn messy thoughts or scattered notes into something clear. They're helpful for planning, note-taking, and keeping track of everyday tasks. Writing and communication. These tools help you write emails, messages, or documents by improving clarity or suggesting better wording. They're not meant to replace your voice, just to support it. Learning and research. These answer questions in simple language and help you understand things faster. They reduce the need to open multiple tabs or read long articles. Creativity and ideas. These tools help you brainstorm, generate ideas, or explore new directions. You can use them for writing ideas, images, videos, or creative projects. Automation and routines. These tools help you turn repetitive tasks into automated steps and build helpful routines. They remove the work of planning and make sure you're consistent by keeping your routine on track. When you understand these 5 types, AI becomes easier to explore and less confusing. In the next video, we'll look at what AI can help you with in everyday life, in practical ways. Thanks for learning with Tea and Tech. See you tomorrow.